Hey you guys, it's Jessica with MB Interiors. Welcome and congratulations on becoming an affiliate. I wanted to show you a few things to help you learn what our dashboard is like and show you how to make the most money out of this affiliate program. So when you log into Refersion, this is what your dashboard is going to look like. This is my fake test dashboard, so it doesn't have much tracked information in here, but this is what yours is going to look like. So this link right here, this is going to be your unique link. This is what people are going to click on to go to our storefront, and when they click on different products and they purchase them, that's what's going to track back to you and how you earn your commission. So this link is kind of long. If you want to shorten it, you can just click the shorten link, copy it, and then paste it into your blog, your Facebook, your social media channels, your groups. However, that's going to show you, or that's going to take them to our website, just the front page. Now, if you wanted to promote a specific product, what you're going to do is you're going to come in, find that product you want, copy the link, come back to your dashboard, and you're going to create a specific link to that page. So copy that here, create link. You can also shorten it as well and copy that, and that link is going to go to a specific product. So that's nice if you're wanting to promote just one product. If you're wanting to have them just go to our general page, then you have your original code that is right here. This is going to show you what commissions you have coming in, what you've earned before, and what is coming up to earn. Everyone's automatically set at the 6% tier. As you can see down here, the more commission you earn, the higher percentage commission you get. So if you go over $251, you get 8% commission. If you go over $500 in sales, then you get 10% commission. So remember, your first order through MB Interiors is 50% off. That's your first order. We want to encourage you to buy some decor, stage it in your home, touch it, feel it, love it as much as we do, and promote it to your friends, family, and followers. Any purchases after that first purchase, you're always going to get 20% off. So basically, when you promote these, once people start buying them, not only are you going to earn back your money on the decor you bought, which will be free decor, but you're also going to you can earn more than that and create a commission off of it. So I'll give you some examples. So I made a blog post about how to decorate a Joanna Gaines worthy space. I took a picture of what somebody would consider Joanna Gaines worthy and put little marks on there to show them what products I would suggest to put in their space. So if this was your blog, you would create links for these pictures, your specific links through your Refersion app, and when they click on it and go to the website and buy it, that tracks and you earn commission off of it. You can also do it through Instagram stories, Snapchat. You're going to get a custom coupon code, and make sure to email us to create that custom coupon code, because that's not generated automatically. You have to get a hold of us and we'll create a coupon code specific for your business. And that way through Instagram, you don't have to have a link put in there. You can just use your coupon code, and that's going to track it as well. So for your Facebook stories, Instagram posts, you can use that coupon code and it's going to track it back to you, and then you'll earn your commission. So other things we have on your dashboard is your creatives. We have some banners made in here that have the link, that will have your specific link linked to it. You can also make your own banners. Just make sure you come back to your dashboard and get your specific link. It's going to show you your payment history. Again, this is just my fake account, so it doesn't show anything. Sometimes we talk through messages here. I also send out emails, so make sure that you put our emails in your address list so they don't go to spam, because you're going to want to make sure to check our emails. We're going to send out emails about how you're doing. If you get sales, you'll get an email, and different promotions we have going on. You're going to come in here and it'll show you your reports as well. You can come in and put your, customize it if you want to put your name and address, change your password, payment settings, those kind of things, your time zone. We pay everybody through PayPal, so you don't have to really worry about your payment settings. But that's how it works. It's very, very easy. Once you get a hang of it, you just have to make sure that your links are set up for your referrals, so they link back to you. Now we have a 30-day cookie on here, which means if a client comes in and clicks on your link today but doesn't buy, but comes back to our website within 30 days, they don't even have to go through your link at that point, as long as they've went through once. Within 30 days and they buy something, you still earn that commission. So let us know if there's anything we can do for you, anything to help you out. Otherwise, start posting away, earn that commission, and we'll talk to you guys soon.